Hi there, if you want to learn how to create sound effects, then you are in the right place. In this video series, I'll be doing a redesign of a short clip from the game Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. So I'll be designing the anime sound effects from scratch. Actually, I'll be doing it in real time, so you'll see me in real time picking plugins, seeing how I'm analyzing the sounds from the original game, trying to recreate them, trying to get as close as possible, seeing what plugins I use and why I'm using them and what I'm trying to do with them. So if that interests you and you want to see my workflow and how to create sound effects, then this is going to be the video for you. Now, if there's a certain sound that you want to see, a certain type of style or a certain game that you would like me to do a redesign for, let me know, because this video I'm doing because somebody left a comment on a video and requested this video. So because of that, I'm doing a series on this short clip. So if there's something that you want to see that you don't find out anywhere on the internet, or that you're just really curious how I would create it, let me know and I might actually make a video with it. All right, with that said, let's get into the redesign.
All right, let's go to the next Pokemon here. So we got Fuecoco. Okay, so let's have a listen to the original here. So that's honestly, to my ears, it just sounds like somebody who just like used their voice and then like put it through some sort of filtering. So why don't we try that? Just see if we can use just our voice here for this layer. All right, so I'm just going to put on here. Let's put on Infiltrator here to start. And okay, let's start off with a low pass or a high pass, low cut. Let's do something like that just to cut out everything below like 100 here. Just have a clean sound, clean start. Okay, next let's try some effects. So I'm gonna turn on my voice here, and then let's have a listen to what we can create here. Okay. All right, so let's focus on these here. So I've got 3 little takes here. Some might be better than others. Let's have a listen to what it sounds like with the processing on here. All right. So I want it to be a little bit brighter. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, because this is like a raw vocal, I'm just going to add some OTT just to really balance out the frequencies here, bring out the highs, lows, mids. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this back out here. Okay, see if I can pitch it up a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to see if I can record some other sounds here. I'm not liking this one. Okay, I'm going to record a few others here just to get different takes, because they're all going to affect the sound differently here. All right, let's put that away. Okay, let's see if there's other ones that would be just as well. I'm going to delete these. Okay, let's bring this over here. Delete this one. Okay, let's have a listen. Okay. All right, so the ones that I like the most here are these two. So let's go back and forth between this first one and the other one. I like both, but the second one sounds a little bit too wide, and I want to figure out what is causing that. So it sounds like it's this one. I think I'm going to stop it here, and I think we're just going to use this one here. That's pretty cool. Mute these guys. Okay. That's my little creature sound as opposed to this. Right, and there you go. So let's have a listen to what we've done so far here.
All right, I hope you found that useful and valuable. If you have any comments, questions, let me know down in the comments below. And if you're looking for sound effects, I have a whole library of sound effects that I offer. It's my everything subscription bundle. They are in a subscription. If your subscription is not your thing, I also sell them as a one-off package. You can do a one-off buyout. So check it out. I'll have links in the description. You can also buy individual sound packs if that interests you. So yeah, it's a great way to support me, support the channel, as well as just having sounds for your work that you can use in commercial, personal, or whatever projects you're working on. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. See you in the next video.